relationship as Christians with money, and we have to be very careful about this particular one. This one is debt. Oh, there were very many verses on the topic of debt. In fact, complete businesses have been built on this debt model. So what does the Bible have to say? In addition to the many verses, this is the one that I picked out because I really felt like it really sums up how God views debt and how God views what our relationship with debt should be. And that's Romans 13:8, where it says, "Owe no one anything except to love each other." Now, guys, if you do your own research and you read all the other verses, basically debt's not really a good thing to have. Now, the Bible does make room for it. That's why there's so many verses on it. The Bible does make room for it. In fact, when the children of Israel went into Egypt, we find them later on as slaves. And how did they become slaves? It was a survival mechanism. There was massive famine in the land, and to survive, they had to first sell their land, and when that was gone, they sold their children, and then they sold themselves into slavery just so that they could survive. So debt is mentioned in the Bible. It is the last resort survival tool. And the Bible does talk about this further when it comes to if you're the lender lending out. So debt is accommodated in the Bible, but it is not celebrated as a positive experience. So if you can get yourself out of debt, definitely do that. There are definitely a lot of strategies for that, and I certainly can help you with that. But I want you as a Christian to understand that while the Bible does make room for it, it does. It is a last resort, and it's not the favored one. So as best as you can, owe no one anything. And if you owe, try to work yourself out of that debt. The Bible talks about escaping like a gazelle. You want to escape that debt. And the only debt that we as Christians will continue to have, the good debt, if you want to call it that, is the debt to continue to love each other. Okay? All right, so catch me in the next video. I hope you're following through in this series, and we're going to be talking about saving. Thank you.